Working more efficiently and productively using artificial intelligence could be a reality in the near future.
Hi Rita, what is today's schedule?
Good morning, Saya. Today's schedule is to finalize the meeting material in the morning and one teleconference at noon.
Okay, which meeting room and who's attending?
Conference room 3 is booked, and Robert, Sally, and Dominic will be with you.
Global enterprises feel they're spending too much time in meetings and unrelated tasks. Meetings that overrun, arranging people's schedules and sending out meeting notes. Misunderstandings arise due to the language differences. Ricoh helps reduce those challenges and creates intelligent workplaces where people can focus on discussions to make faster and more informed decisions.
Please make the growth rate stand out on the graph and try to lay out the photos by each designer.
How's this?
Perfect, I like it.
Meeting will start in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone's on time?
Okay. Hey Julie, long time no see! Is this the first time for Robert and Sally?
Finally.
Bonjour, enchanté.
Finally, nice to meet you.
Saya, we found a very interesting designer.
そうそう、日本人なんだけどさ、優秀デザイン賞。どう？
Ah, chez nous aussi, tout ce qui vient du Japon est populaire.
I love his design. Rita, do you have anyone else to recommend?
These 3 designers might be suitable for your project.
Nice. Okay, Julie, please include the person in the middle and set up an interview with all the designers.
C'est entendu. Je vais organiser plusieurs entretiens en ligne alors.
Thanks.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, like
Okay.
Thank you.
10 more minutes. Let's try to wrap this up.
let's find the date and time for the next meeting.
I found 3 options for the next meeting.
1 week from today seems good. Yeah. Rita, can you summarize today's meeting?
Here are the decisions and action items. Anything else?
Julie, can you get back to me by this Friday? On scheduling that interview with the designers?
Ok, pas de problème. Allez.
Okay, see you next week.
Inefficient and time-consuming tasks are reduced and productive discussions are accomplished.
That was a good one. Rita, end the meeting.
Soon, Ricoh will help global enterprises implement intelligent workplaces through cognitive capabilities.